2 years ago, I disappeared. No uploads, no updates, no explanations. At first, I thought nobody noticed. And maybe that was the hardest part. Life became quieter, but inside me everything was loud. I used to think disappearing meant giving up. That if you stop chasing your dreams for too long, you fail. So every day that passed without creating something felt heavy. I watched people move forward. Friends started businesses, others get successful. Some built families, some kept growing online. And me, I was just trying to survive silently. There were days I wanted to come back. I opened the camera many times, but I did not recognize myself anymore. I was not motivated, I was not confident, I was tired. Tired mentally, emotionally, financially, spiritually. So I stayed quiet. But something strange happened during those 2 years. Silence started teaching me things noise never could. I learned that not every season of life is meant to be seen. Some seasons are meant for rebuilding. Privately, painfully, slowly. I realized people are carrying battles they never post online. Some smile every day while secretly falling apart. Some disappear because they are healing. Some disappear because they are exhausted from pretending to be okay. And maybe that was me too. For the first time in a long time, I stopped trying to impress people. I stopped comparing timelines. I stopped chasing noise. And little by little, I started finding myself again. Not the old version of me, a quieter one, a wiser one, a more honest one. I learned that success is not always loud. Sometimes success is getting out of bed again, trying again, surviving another hard day, believing again when life drained everything out of you. The truth is, disappearing for 2 years changed me. It humbled me, it broke parts of me, but it also rebuilt parts I never knew were missing. So why am I back now? Honestly, not because everything is finally perfect. I'm still rebuilding. I'm still figuring life out. But maybe that's the point. Maybe people do not need another perfect creator online. Maybe they just need someone real. Someone willing to say, "You're not the only one starting over." This channel is no longer about pretending life is always beautiful. It's about the quiet comeback, the slow healing, the unseen progress, the people rebuilding themselves silently every single day. So if you're watching this whole life feeling lost, tired, delayed, or left behind in life, maybe this comeback is not just mine. Maybe it's ours. And this time, we move forward quietly, but we don't stop anymore.